But that rifle you have is not underpowered.
Well, we have to try and make it up so we can. But yeah, we just wait on the right opportunity, you know.
Excellent drive we flew up there and the 876 streets was good. You know, following the footage video and we realized that you're seasoned in this, and even with this guy here, you were out there and you did what almost a lot of people would not expect you to do this guy, but you smelled the weakness and you actually attacked. What do you feel about the race you just ran?
It was a good race, we had fun. At the beginning of the race, we never thought we'd have been up there with the pebbles and stuff. The car severely underpowered compared to them.
But that rifle you have is not underpowered.
Well, we have to try and make it up so we can. But yeah, we just wait on the right opportunity, you know, and it worked for us, so we came out with a win in this race.
And that is racing, and where I can vouch for you from the years that I've been watching you, and I realize with your experience you actually, not as you said, the car is underpowered and stuff, but you still use the opportunity and the momentum and the flow and kept it out. I saw the back because I could hear your RPMs, that it's not dropping off, you're extracting everything to secure this win and important. So we're very proud of you and part of the 876 streets, repping for the sickest footage now and the sickest rides, and thank you. And we're very proud of you. And he needs more sponsorship to make sure that this.
We need a sponsor. They have none right now.
Well, he needs. You have sponsors, you're a bucket club. But we need more sponsorship. Yeah? And congratulations on the win.
Respect, thank you.
Sebastian.
Dig up the 876 street. Where's the height of the camera? Where's the height of the camera?
Jamworth Speedway, in association with the JRDC, presents Circuit Wheels on Fire on May 26th at Jamworth Speedway, Westmoreland. General admission $3,500, paddock $6,000, children under 12 $1,000. Brought to you by Jam West Adventure Park, Jam West Beach, Negril Home Solution, West Isle Home. The fastest circuit racing track in the Caribbean comes alive, and you can't afford to miss it. Circuit Wheels on Fire at Jamworth Speedway on May 26th. Are you ready? See you there.